everyone, it's Victoria Charles, and today is a different video. As you may or may not know, I am vegan, and I keep talking with my hands, but I am vegan, and I am also in college, so a lot of people ask me, what do you eat? I currently have a dining plan, but when I don't feel like going to a dining center, I do have things stocked in my dorm. I usually don't, though, but I just went grocery shopping yesterday, and like, I'm gonna show it all off because I gotta eat. Yeah. And a quick disclaimer, my diet is my diet, and yeah, you may have a problem with veganism. I am not saying in this video to become vegan. I am just saying as a vegan, this is what I eat and this is what I enjoy to eat. So yeah, if you guys enjoy. I have this cart next to me, and I'm gonna push my futon so I can get it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. This big old cart. So I wasn't gonna like use a tripod and like my T6 or whatever, because like I was like, let me just be more personal and like vlog this, but now I'm actually doing it. I'm kind of regretting it. So let's just see how this turns out. Okay, got an angle going. Okay. Okay, so let's start this off. So I got this little cart from Target. You can't see it right now. I got this little cart from Target, and one sec. Is that better? Maybe? Trying to get this lighting right and tight. Oh my god, my light's gonna fall. Oh my gosh. So this is like a terrible little angle or whatever to film at, but college. Yay, we love a good setup. I'm just gonna start off with some snacks. I love kettle cooked Lay's. These are my favorite flavor. They are vegan, no milk, no nothing, whatever. And I really love these. I really love this flavor. It's just like something I love to snack on. I also love kettle corn. These are like little packs, whatever. I think there's like 6 of these in here. So love that. I have the Kind bars and the, what flavor is this? Like the peanut butter dark chocolate, and I also have Nature Valley, just like the crunchy peanut butter ones, because the soft ones are not vegan, by the way, just so you guys know that. I also have Cheerios. Okay, with Cheerios it's kind of weird because some people consider honey to be not vegan, which honey is not vegan, but honey is one of those things that I just don't care about in my diet. I just don't like eating dairy products, and I don't like eating meat. Those are 2 things. You know what I mean? Like, don't kill me. Yeah. Next thing I have is applesauce. I just like applesauce. I don't know if it's like explanatory. There's like 8 of these in here. And I stole these from the dining hall. Like a bunch of like oatmeal packets. And I also have like a big giant thing of oatmeal. But like it's like behind my camera because I don't have a tripod. I'm currently recording on my phone, so yeah. And then to go along with that big thing of oatmeal, I have a bunch of brown sugar, and I have like hella flax seeds, because like if you mix flax seeds with anything, I'm pretty sure flax seeds help with what is it called? What is it called? Like someone who eats a lot but is really skinny, has a fast metabolism. Like flax seeds help out with your metabolism. So yeah, if you just mix that with your oatmeal or your cereal, just don't taste it. I also have a bunch of bread, and I love getting whole wheat bread. I just like wheat bread. I just like the taste, not like the health factor, just like the taste of like wheat compared to like white bread. I don't know why. And along with that, I just have a jelly and some peanut butter, and this, I don't think this has been opened, so it makes sense that it's like not like that it's in this cart, not like in a fridge, I also have a bunch of bagels because I love making a really nice hummus bagel spread, and I'll show you guys a bit more of how I do that in a bit. These aren't vegan, and most like the regular Tostitos are, but I got these for my roommate. So yeah, this thing, like regular Tostitos are, but these are not. These are lime flavored ones. I also have, this is not new whatsoever, but like just a bunch of like organic green tea. Love that. And it's the mango flavored. Yeah, this is so good. Oh, it looks like my teeth. Fuck. This is so good. I actually really like this flavor a lot. I like having tea with like little sweets like cookies at night or something, you know. I love like exploring like the gluten-free aisles of stores because like you find like hidden gems, because you usually like, if they're like desserts, they're usually vegan. So I got these cocoa rooms and these cocoa thins. I've never had these before, but I want to try them out because like I want to try out new desserts, and these look good, you know. So like I got like a bunch of pasta and like pasta sauce. So that is everything that I have in the cart. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that is inside my fridge. So yeah. So naturally, I just have like a bunch of water bottles, which is super bad because, you know, like saving the earth and stuff, but like, yeah, sorry. And then I have a bunch of cranberry juice because I love cranberry juice, and I only like drinking ocean spray. And then I love LaCroix. I haven't had this flavor yet though, so should be interesting because LaCroix is like my life, whatever. And then I have a bunch of like lemonades, almond milk, baby carrots. I love these. These are meatless meatballs. You can get them at Target, you can get them at Walmart, anywhere and stuff. There's no meat, no dairy in them, but they taste like meatballs. Literally, you can't, like, they taste like regular meatballs. I have hummus, and I have little bits of tomatoes, and I have cilantro because I love like putting those all on my mini bagels. So yeah. I also have like this like huge variety pack of chips, and the only like vegan flavored is the barbecue Lay's, and they're like 3 of those in there, but these are for my roommate, you know. That is everything that I currently have stocked up in my dorm right now. I know when I was a senior in high school, I followed a bunch of girls from UND, and one of them happened to be vegan, and I was like, oh my gosh, what do you eat? Because like the dining plan, it is hard, you know. This is just like my little grocery haul slash what's in my fridge slash what's in my pantry slash what to eat in college while vegan. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good one. Bye.